uLebo Mniki wagcina ukubonakala kule ndawo ehlala abafundi kanti kubekwa ukuthi wayezobona owesifazane oneminyaka engama-23 athandana naye. Ngokusho komndeni, abanikazi bakule ndawo abafuni ukudedela umfanekiso ophelele wevidiyo ye-CCTV.
For as long as you haven't shown me a video of my child exiting your property, it remains in my mind. My child ended in that premises. The people in those premises are the ones that are accountable for my son.
Ukunyamalala kukaLebo kuzwela kakhulu ezinganeni zakhe.
They all asking, where's our dad? Letu is at school. The other day, he asked me, where's my dad? Have you heard anything? And yet I don't have answers. How do you tell a 2-year-old? How do you tell a 10-year-old that I don't know where your dad is? I don't know whether he'll be coming home.
Lo mndeni uthi usulinde noma ngabe imuphi umbiko.
A DNA was taken of me, of a body that was badly burnt. As a family, we are sitting and we are waiting, where it's not known how long the DNA will take. It might take 3 weeks, it might take 3 months. That's just a long wait that is unbearable.
Akukaboshwa muntu ngokunyamalala kukaLebo Mniki kanti umndeni ucela noma ngabe ubani onolwazi ukuthi eze nganeno